I am coming to you from Deohal, which is in Morigaon district, part of Nagaon constituency, a hot seat. Remember, in Northeast, there are 7 seats where polling is taking place today in this phase 2, where there are 5 seats in Assam. And among these 7 seats, there is only 1 seat which is with the Congress, and this is this Nagaon seat. And right from the morning, we saw right from Nagaon to those visuals which came to us from Tripura East constituency. People have turned out in large number right from 5 a.m. because the mercury in Northeast is also high few notches than what it used to be at these hours, and therefore you can see women have turned out in large number. The umbrellas are out, but their spirit is high. In the first phase also we saw, particularly in Assam and in Tripura, a large turnout. There is lot in stake in these constituencies, particularly because out of these 5 constituencies in Assam, you have 4 of them with the BJP. Also, if you leave out the tribal reserve Difu seat, which is going to poll, all the other seats have a very huge Muslim voter population, and this time the BJP, particularly Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, had tried to reach out to Muslim voters, and whether that translates into vote or not is something to be seen. But here there is a tough battle. We'll talk to some of the women voters who have turned out early morning. आप लोग सुबह आए हैं आज, और बहुत लोग छतरी लेके आए हैं, अम्ब्रेलाज. मूड कैसा है? और सुबह सुबह बहुत लंबी कतार देख रहा हूँ मैं, यहाँ से एकदम हाईवे तक 1 किलोमीटर लंबा कतार है वोटर का.
हाँ, जो भी है हमारा सरकार है, इसलिए वोट देने के लिए आई हूँ. और सरकार ने बहुत सारा काम किया है. हमारा बीजेपी सरकार ने बहुत क्या बोलते हैं, मोदी सरकार ने बहुत सारा काम किया है.
अगर नौगांव ये जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी इसकी बात करें तो यहाँ पे कांग्रेस और बीजेपी के एक टक्कर भी है. आप लोग कह रहे हैं सरकार अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, मगर जो एमपी है उन्होंने भी काम करने की कोशिश की है, तो कैसे देखते हैं इस फाइट को?
हाँ, बहुत बहुत काम किया है, बहुत उन्नति किया है.
So there you are, one of the female voter, clearly pointing out that this is a key fight, because in one side they are happy with the work that has been done by centre in this region, and on the other side she's saying that even the local MP has also done quite good work. So therefore Nagaon is a hot seat where sitting MP Pradyut Bardoloi of Congress heavyweight, former Assam minister, is taking on a new candidate from BJP, Suresh Bora, who actually switched over from the Congress to the BJP. And also you have third factor, the AIUDF, who have influence over Muslim votes, sitting MLA Aminul Islam contesting from here. There are also other key seats like Silchar, which is going to poll, where you have a very straight fight between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress. Remember, Sushmita Dev of Trinamool Congress, who used to be with the Congress, she used to be the MP in Silchar. Last year she was defeated, but this time Trinamool Congress has fielded a former MP, Radhesham Biswas, there, and in fact Mamta Banerjee, Amit Shah, both campaigned in Silchar, so that is another hot seat. You have seats like Darang Udalguri, where you have a Muslim majority, but a seat with the BJP. Also Karimganj, one seat which is a Muslim majority seat, but with the BJP, but where there is a tough fight. And also not to forget outer Manipur, parts of it going to polls. In fact, the Myanmar border and the Bangladesh border both have been sealed. We have played out those visuals, and this time you can see the mood here. People have turned out in large number early morning to avoid the heat, which because there is also
absolutely. And given where you are, Ratnadeep, the temperature must already be soaring. I mean, it's 8:30 in the morning.